In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset or empty your Google Drive for 2025. This is a great option when you want to start fresh, organize your cloud storage, or clear out unnecessary files that are taking up space. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to remove everything safely and give your Google Drive a clean slate to work with. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, since Google Drive only displays files connected to the account you are currently using. Once the page loads, you will see all your folders and documents displayed on the home page. Now let's move on to selecting the files you want to delete. Start by clicking on any single file to highlight it. After selecting the first item, press and hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key if you are using a Mac. While holding it down, press the letter A. This shortcut selects every file and folder in your Google Drive instantly. It saves you time and makes sure no items are missed. With everything highlighted, look toward the top right corner of the page and find the trash can icon. Clicking this icon will move all selected files and folders into the trash. At this stage, the files are not permanently deleted, so you still have the option to restore anything if needed. This is helpful in case you change your mind or accidentally delete something important. Next, to completely reset your Google Drive, you will need to empty the trash. Look to the left side menu and click on the trash option. Inside this folder, you will see all the items you just moved. At the top, you will find another trash can icon with options to restore or delete permanently. Choose the delete option and confirm your choice. This step cannot be undone, so only continue if you are absolutely sure you no longer need any of these fields. Once confirmed, Google Drive will permanently remove everything from the trash. Your storage will be cleared, giving you a fresh and organized space to upload new files. This reset not only frees up valuable cloud storage, but can also make your drive easier to manage moving forward, and that's all there is to it. You have now successfully reset your Google Drive and created a clean workspace for the year ahead. I hope you found this guide simple and helpful. If you enjoy tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe for more easy tech lessons. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to guiding you again in future videos.